The next type of condition statement is switch statement. A switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Each value is called a case, and the variable being switched on is checked for each case. Let's try switch case now. Suppose I just want a case at 4. So let me enter the case now. First, second, third, fourth, comma, let me add fifth. Let's do now. Let's see. Let's do print x. So anything out of this case, you will not get the answer. Let's try for some another number. Let me just try to get 6. Let's print x. So it's null. Let's try the another switch. Switch. It is 5. So I'll put some of these conditions. 1. So it will be equals to print January, put comma after every time, and if it's 2, print February, 3, print beginning quotes March, 4, print April, 5, again quotes 5, print it's May, and let's put one more. If it's 6, print June. Now let's try to run this. So if it's 5, then it will print May.